Today I will explain how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel. So just go to the channels tab, switch accounts. Here I'm selecting cover talkies. Now once this YouTube channel opens, I will again click on the channel icon at the top right corner, and once you open this, it will take you to the settings. Scroll down and go to the settings. Once the new page opens, scroll down again and click on the advanced settings. Here you will be asked two options. You can click on the delete option, and once you click on this, it will ask you to give your Gmail account password. Now I have given this Gmail account password. Now click on next. Here it will ask you two options, and you have to select both options. Once you select both options, you can click on the delete my content. Once you select on this channel option, you will have to write your YouTube channel name here. Here I'm writing cover talkies. Once you are done, just click on delete my content, and now your channel will be deleted within a minute or sometime within hours. Thank you.